Hello, I'll be showing you guys how to fix a well balanced waistband on Senator trouser on Ankara trouser. Okay, now look at the waistband. I've already ironed it down with a gum stay inside. Hope you see that one side is longer than each other. Okay, now the width of our waistband is 2 inches. Hope you see. I just take out the measurement, and you are going to divide your waistband by 2. But before you fix your waistband, you need to join the side of the trouser or shorts, either anyone you are sewing. Note that if this is your first time to this channel, you have not subscribed, you see a subscribe button, click on the subscribe button, so that also hit the notification bell, so when we post another wonderful tutorial you will get notified. Okay, now I'm taking out my waist measurement, which is 36 divided by 218. So I will stitch it up. Hope you see I've already stitched it up. Now the next thing we are going to do now, this is our belt stripe. It will be 4.5 inches. I made 6 of it. Hope you saw that. Now you're going to take 3 inches from here, 3 inches from the opening at the front, then you stitch it up. I'm going to stitch 6 of it according to their position. Hope you see I just stitched 6 of my belt stripe. Now the waistband, remember I told you it is 2 inches wide. So first thing, this side you're going to exceed like 1 inch from that edge, then you stitch it up. This one is coming from the right side, so you're going to stop at that joining at the back, okay, now hope you see where I stop at that joining at the back. Okay, this side is the left hand side. You'll be facing the left hand. That is, you are going to exceed like 3 inches, because we are going to make either a button hole or a trouser hook. Okay, now you are also going to stop at that joining at the back also here, then cut out the thread, then you're going to hold it like this and stitch it up. This is the perfect way to fix a nice and balanced waistband. Okay, now after that you either trim out the excess, then you turn it up like this. Hope you see what I did. Then this edge, we are going to stitch it up, because I'm not going to put a trouser hook. I will be using a button for this, so I'll just stitch, turn up this side, then this side also we are going to turn it up. You stitch it up. After stitching it, you either cut out the excess and turn it up. Okay, hope you are getting it. Don't forget to drop a comment at the end of this video. Now after you have turned it up, you are also going to stitch this place so that the back side will be attached to the band, so it will be balanced and firm. Make sure you are stitching between that joining so that your thread will be hidden. Okay, now that's it. Now the last thing we are going to do is to join the belt stripe. Hope you saw that. We are joining the belt stripe. make sure you join it accordingly. Now our waistband tutorial is almost there. Okay, now look at how neat it is. After that, you join the inner part of your shorts. That's it. Hope you love this tutorial. If you want to watch the full tutorial video on how I made this short from beginning to the end, you can check the comment section. Click on the link at the comment section that I will drop the full tutorial. Just watch it. Thank you. Don't forget to